To create delivery nodes in QuickBooks Online, also known as packaging slips, for a company's shipments to customers. Start by navigating to the atmosphere where sales are managed. From there, select the Invoices option. Then choose the specific invoice for which you want to print a delivery node. Next, click on the Add or Edit Invoice option, which will allow you to enter your delivery node details in a designated box, as well as add any additional statements in a secondary input box. After entering the necessary information, click the Save button to record your changes. Finally, return to the main screen. Click the Print button, and your delivery node will be displayed in a PDF file or printed form. This process can be incredibly helpful for streamlining shipping operations and providing customers with essential packaging information.